Just the 3 simple things to both raise your selling potential and your impact in the world. That's what we're gonna do today. My name is Heather Quisel. I'm here to level up your business and level up your life. And most people, when it comes to sales, think, I just want to be authentic. I just want to be authentic. I don't want to turn anybody off. And I totally get that. People are going to buy from you because they know, like, and trust you, not because you beat them over the head to get a sales from them. But the thing with authentic, like, people get hung up on this as if being authentic means I really just want to sit back. I just want to do my own thing over here, be who I am. And I'm just hoping that people are going to flock to me. And this simply doesn't work, right? And what I want to help you guys understand is that sales is not something that you do to somebody. Too often we have this idea that sales is icky, it's slimy, it's yucky. And so this idea of selling people is a huge turnoff. What I want you to understand is that sales isn't about doing something to somebody, it's about an exchange with somebody. It's an exchange with somebody and for somebody. Because at the end of the day, you're either buying products or services from somebody, or you are the one profiting on helping serve other people. Because sales is about just that. It's about serving other people and doing it very, very well. So the more people who you can discover what their problems are, what they're struggling with, and help them overcome that, the more successful you are in business. That's just at the end of the day, it's that simple. So we have to stop thinking that sales is yucky. We have to stop thinking, well, I just want to be authentic. My friend, if you are doing your thing and doing it very, very well, authenticity should come natural. So I'm going to give you those 3 things, those most powerful beliefs, and these are beliefs I want to instill in you today that are going to help unlock that selling potential for you. And when we unlock that selling potential, boom, like now the services, the people purchasing your thing, your services, what you do, it's just going to go crazy because you're doing it in an authentic way, which means this. 3 things very, very clearly. And you might want to write these down. These are going to serve you very, very well. The first thing you have to believe in, I want you to think about, why are you selling the thing anyway? Why is it that you're offering the service anyway? When you understand why, as in, like, think about somebody writing a book, right? People don't write books just to hear their own voice. There's so many people in the world today writing books. Why? Because they know that their story, their thinking, their experience can help another person. So that first belief is understanding that what you sell and the service that you provide can help another person in a powerful way. The second thing I want you to understand is, who is this for? When you're writing a book, who is it that's going to benefit most? From the product you sell, who is going to benefit the most? From the service that you provide to people, who is it going to help? And when you believe that it will help those people in a big, big, big way, again, authenticity is a no-brainer because you have this huge belief that what you're doing matters, that what you're doing creates impact, right? And the third powerful belief that I want you to understand is, how is it going to benefit them? Is it going to give them strength, courage, confidence? Is it going to make them more efficient in their life? Is it going to raise their own level of influence in the world? When you understand why is it that you're doing what you're doing, who are you doing it for, and how will they benefit? This is going to increase your selling potential so that you're not worried about, well, I don't want to sell them. If you believe that what you have can create a difference in somebody else's life, now you have a responsibility. Now it becomes a responsibility. I don't come out into the world every day thinking, who can I sell? Who can I sell? I got a product that I know is going to make your skin clearer. I sell programs that I know that is going to unlock your strength, your courage, your leadership, your focus, your potential. I believe that I can help you. And if I didn't, then why in the world would I get out of bed? Why in the world would I turn on the video, right? It becomes a responsibility to share the thing that can serve other people and share in a big way, not to one person, not to your neighbor, not to just a couple of people who ask you. You now have a responsibility to get that product in the hands of as many people as it takes to create the kind of impact in the world you know you have the potential to leave. And with that responsibility also comes a commitment. You're just committed. I am committed to helping other people, committed to serve in a big, big, big way. My friend, these are the 3 powerful beliefs that I know for you are going to radically change the way you show up in your business, with your product, with that thing that you do so incredibly well. And I know that it's going to serve you. So that's for you today. Now, my friend, if you know somebody who would love this video, who can benefit from this video, I would love to serve them and I need your help. Would you please tag somebody in the comments below? Let them see this. I hope to serve all of you in a huge way. And also, if you haven't heard, I have a new link for you, heatherquisel.com/live. Never miss a single episode. Never have to go back to try and find that video that you wanted to watch again or share with your spouse or your friend. You will get the updates at the end of every week with all of the episodes, the notes, and all of the good juicy details that you never wanted to miss in the first place. So again, that's heatherquisel.com/live. My friends, use the information, use it well. Be responsible with the gifting and the services that you have, and be committed to serving people in a huge, huge way. Mwah.